Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how companies decide dividend payments inside corporate finance. First, a company begins by checking its net profit. This means it reviews how much money is left after paying expenses, taxes, and other business costs. Without real profit, a dividend cannot be sustainable for the long term. Next, the company looks at free cash flow, because cash is more important than accounting profit when paying shareholders. Even if a company shows profit on paper, it must have enough cash from operations after capital spending to safely distribute dividends. After that, management reviews the company's business needs. The company may need money for growth projects, debt repayment, working capital, acquisitions, or emergency reserves. Therefore, if the business has better opportunities to use the cash internally, it may keep the money instead of paying a dividend. Then, the company measures dividend safety by looking at important ratios such as payout ratio and dividend coverage. A lower or moderate payout ratio usually means the dividend is safer, because the company is not giving away too much of its earnings. At the same time, the company checks its balance sheet strength. It reviews debt levels, interest costs, liquidity, and any loan restrictions. If the company has weak finances or too much debt, it may reduce, delay, or avoid dividend payments. Moreover, management considers dividend stability and company policy. Many companies prefer steady or gradually increasing dividends, because investors usually dislike sudden dividend cuts. So, the company tries to pay only what it can maintain in the future. After reviewing all these factors, executives prepare a dividend proposal. The board of directors then approves the dividend amount, timing, and payment frequency. This is the official decision-making stage inside corporate finance. Finally, once the dividend is approved, the payment process begins. The company announces the declaration date, sets the ex-dividend date, confirms the record date, and then pays shareholders on the payment date. Overall, a company pays dividends only when profits are real, cash flow is healthy, business needs are covered, and management believes the payout is sustainable. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.